Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boys from Reactions here. My name is Logan.
My name's Francesco.
And in today's video, we're going to be comparing the Thin Possible to the old iPad.
So we have the 2024 M4 13-inch iPad Pro comparing to the original 11-inch 2018 iPad Pro.
The Thin Possible versus the normal. Here we go.
As you can tell, it's been used up, but this is the iPad I've used for the last 5 years, and now we're moving on to bigger
and better.
and better.
Here we go.
So let's go. Here we go.
Way down low.
This is a smaller. Obviously, the keyboard is an aluminum.
Yep, because this is the Smart Folio, so it doesn't have the mouse. It doesn't have the physical keys like this one does.
Also, it is touching. So, as you can see,
There's 2 steps. There's that, and then there's one more step, which is more like straight, which is similar to this. This does not go beyond this.
But this looks like a more computer style.
You can go like flat.
Unlike this, that looks more like an iPad keyboard.
Yeah. So this is awesome. It's aluminum. It's got the physical keys. You can't see right now, but we'll show you inside.
Look at that.
It has.
Look.
I'll show you some B-roll of it. It's got a backlit display, backlit keys.
Watch
That does
this.
not have backlit keys. Knock on the back. There you go.
This
Obviously,
is flimsy.
this is 11-inch, and this is
It's smaller.
13-inch.
It's
So 2
smaller
inches
compare.
bigger. It's also, this is way thinner. Let's get a look at this. Look at that. Right there. Right next to it. Look at that. It's hard to tell, but like, it's there. It's slightly thinner. There's slight difference.
Or you can do it like this.
It's also got a different camera on the back. That's got the single wide-angle camera. This also single wide-angle camera. It used to have an ultra-wide. They took that off, so we lost a lens because last year's iPad, or 2 years ago, I should say, 2022 M2 iPad Pro had an ultra-wide camera.
And obviously
I think they got rid of it due to size because they wanted to make this so thin. It's got LiDAR, a bigger True Tone flash, adaptive flash. It's got a microphone, and it's got an ambient light sensor to help with brightness detection for when you're on the iPad. Then we got the Apple Pencils as well.
it's the only difference is that this is the Pro, this is the
It's
also
got like vibrations and stuff.
also this one doesn't click.
Nope.
It's sturdy as this one.
Clicky. You can feel the vibrations. The cameras. Where's the camera on this one? Right there on the side. It's a problem because when you're on a FaceTime call, you constantly have to look to the side. No longer. The camera on the top now. So now you can just look at the center and be like, oh, yep, great. These are the displays. Now out here, it doesn't look that much different, but we're gonna go max brightness to show you. So I'm gonna go in control center. Max brightness is already there. Here, max brightness, we're already there. Now, looking at this is definitely brighter. It's close. It's honestly like it's definitely brighter on here, but I'm using a dark wallpaper. But like, it's close. But the quality is where it's gonna go crazy, and I'm gonna show you some B-roll shots of that inside so you can see for yourself.
Show me love.
Shouting and screaming, something new to me. Alone without being lonely, getting back to the old me. It's kinda nice to feel free. I thought this was over, thought I could control it. But if I speak the truth, I ain't over you. I was feeling sober until you came up now. I don't know what to do. I ain't over you. I ain't over. I ain't over.
It's also got the new Apple Pencil, so this one has a click. Now, I can feel the vibrations every time I squeeze it. I feel the vibrations up in the top. So that's cool. It's got the new like gyroscope thing. We were demoing that in our unboxing, so check that out here. And also, if you're wondering if the other ones work, this, it sticks,
Just doesn't work.
but not like watch this sticks, but then watch this. You can hear the difference in the click. It clicked right away. Same with this. It'll stay, but this, instant, doesn't move. Same with this. Obviously the keys are different. This has physical keys. It's also got a function row, so I can raise and lower the brightness. I can lower and raise the volume. I could just press the lock button and it will lock. Simple as that. I could turn on do not disturb, and that'll work too. It's got physical keys. It's backlit as well. Those are just like felt keys. It's not the same.
Look at the sound difference.
You can hear it. It sounds so silky smooth, like a real keyboard.
This sounds like more plasticky, and this sounds more sturdy.
Robust. Yes.
But anyway,
Also, we're gonna try the cameras out. So
Bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. And face it another day. We go bottoms up.
another difference I realized. Okay. These, they don't have this.
oh right. So this floats, and you can put your hand under.
There's also an extra row of buttons here.
Yeah, this is new to this model. So the previous Magic Keyboard, this is the Smart Folio keyboard.
There's
not the
no
Magic Keyboard.
other row of buttons here. This is an extra row.
In 2018, when I got that iPad, they did not have the Magic Keyboard. Then they came out with the Magic Keyboard, but it did not have this aluminum feel. They redesigned it this year. But this year's has a new function row where you can control the volume, play and pause, do not disturb, voice like Siri, which dictation or whatever. I can bring up Spotlight. I can show my open apps. I could raise and lower brightness, a physical escape key, and just lock the iPad like that and lock it.
So new
there's
row of
that.
buttons. Also, something I've noticed, there's a key difference. There's no swiping pad, and
There, yeah, so that doesn't have a trackpad. The Magic Keyboards do, so you can swipe and boom, swipe, done. Beautiful.
but here you have to physically do it.
So now we're gonna do a sound test comparison, comparing the 11-inch to the 13-inch.
So here we
go. Play it out. Max volume.
Let me have my pace and leave me till tomorrow. Went into myself, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way.
All right, now the new iPad Pro.
Feeling down, push the pain away.
There's more bass,
Bottoms up,
more bass,
go all the
more everything. It sounds awesome. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one.
Peace.